3-2 second map on these kids. 3-2 second map. You got a hit marker on that? Oh shit. Oh, you're so lucky, bro. 3-2 second map on these kids. You're so lucky, dude. Damn, Castro's usually carrying, and that man is swoopy, and he ain't doing. Go B again. Oh, I thought we were gonna B. You got this clutch, Castro. Just wait for him. Like, you don't think when you're high, bro. Shit.
Dude, that's how I would have did that if I wasn't, man.
No.
That's how I play.
That's not how you play, bro. I see a little slight change in you. I see a change. Bro, you carry when you're not high, man. You should have came through on freaking first map.
Alright, that's the pass.
Nice, Spark. Good shit. That's one down. That's two down. Good shit. Good shit. 4-3 second map. GG. 4-3 second map. 4-3 second map. I see a slight change in the homie Castro when he's high. 4-3 second map.